silence I am found, where the stars don't make a sound. In the breath between the pain, I rise to feel the light again. Every tear that ever fell watered seeds of strength I held. Now I bloom through every scar. I remember who we are. Breathe in the healing, breathe out the ache. Let every broken part slowly awake. You are the sunrise after the night. You are creation returning to light. In the quiet of the soul, ancient voices make us whole. Every heartbeat softly sings of forgotten sacred things. Close your eyes, release the weight. You are endless, you are safe. In your chest, a hidden flame, calling softly, speaking your name. Breathe in the healing, breathe out the ache. Let every broken part slowly awake. You are the sunrise after the night. You are creation returning to light. You are the cosmos behind your eyes. You are not broken, you are becoming. Ooh. In every ending, something is coming. Ooh. Light is returning, softly unfolding. Creation is singing, you are still holding. Breathe in the healing, let it be known. All that you seek is already home. You are the echo, the stars still repeat. You are the sound, you are complete to lead.